Hey everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to another episode in my 28-day cleaning routine following the FlyLady. We are in zone 3 today. It is the 15th of February. I hope you all had a wonderful Valentine's Day and I'm ready to clean. I have no idea what time it is. I think it's somewhere around 4:45 because it's still daytime. I came upstairs, I checked the mail, I checked the dishwasher, and I pretty much came upstairs and started filming. So that's that. So that's why it's still daylight outside. So I'm in the office today. I'm doing the fan because I didn't do it in a while. And I don't need the pillowcase to do it because I know there's not a lot of dust on it. It's just that I skipped it probably in the past 2 months. So just gonna do that real quick. And one of my goals today, since we are on the second floor, is to do the linen closet because it's a big mess in there and I need to probably not get rid of stuff but go over what I have and put things back in the proper order. So the fan is done. You spend 15 minutes decluttering in the zone and do some cleaning. So I just did the fan. I don't have anything else to do in here. However, I do want to spend 15 minutes decluttering in that linen closet and I want to dust all the frames that are in my staircase. So let's get started. Alright, so this is my linen closet and it's a big mess, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the towels first. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out all the towels and I'm going to reorganize them. Because that's important, and some of them, they should be in the little basket. They're not. The floor is clean, so I don't have to worry about putting stuff on the floor, but I really need to, you know, reorganize this. My mistake is that I have the kids put the stuff back in, and you know how kids are. They take a shovel and they just throw things in, and you know, they don't care. They don't understand, and they don't care. So let me do the towels first. Okay, so I have all the towels reorganized. On the left side here is just white towels for Scott and I. I have hand towels in that basket, which I put upside down or right side up, whichever way you want to call it, in order to contain them, and then so that way it takes less floor space or shelf space. These are all washing gloves and hand washing cloth. And then these are kids' towels, and I have more downstairs. So now the big task is going to be to reorganize these sheets because it's a big mess. And then I have more stuff here that is to be reorganized. I'm done. It took about 25 minutes and I got the entire closet nicely reorganized. So on top here is the stuff I use the least. Here are a bunch of baby quilts and then some heirloom linens, and then these are the Euro and king size pillowcases that I don't use often. This shelf here is for Scott and I, so these are all our sheets, and again I'm making packets, so each time you see one of those it's actually the fitted flat and the pillowcases all together, so it's easier to grab. And one of you had asked me about these, by the way, and I don't think I answered you. These are Martha Stewart. That's 100% cotton. These are all the pillowcases that are Euro shaped, and then these are the extra pillowcases. The towels, kids, hand towels, face cloth, and adult towels over here. And then at the bottom here, I put the kids' sheets. So I have Willie's here, which he has more of because remember we used to have 2 twin size beds. So I have more sheets. And then much just the regular toilet paper here. And then this is the box, if you remember, from the basement that I brought back, that has a bunch of cleanser and stuff for the kids, and just, you know, whatever, decor. So yeah, 20 minutes and this is done. It's a good thing to do on a monthly basis. And yes, I did declutter. All of these are to go. I'm not keeping them. They are just old sheets that we're not using. Some of them are queen, some of them are twin. They're just unmatched, I guess. These are 2 pillowcases that I don't use anymore. They're from IKEA. And then these things here need to go back downstairs because they were misplaced here on this floor. I'm just gonna spend a few seconds going over picture frames that are in the hallway because I didn't get to do them yet. I figure if you do those once a month, that's enough, right? At some point I have a hole right here. I'm gonna have to take care of that. And I'll do the mirror right here. I don't think you can see it. So you guys, that's it for tonight. I'm telling you, less and less work to do in the house. Just recap real quick, because I spent a half an hour really. I did the fan in the office because it needed to be done. I entirely rearranged and reorganized the linen closet and decluttered, and I dusted all the frames in the hallway. So I'm feeling pretty productive. I'm telling you, less and less things to do. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna start in the kids' room. I have a few things to do still here in the staircase, which is considered the second floor for me, and zone 3. And until then, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner. Check out the playlist up there. I have a lot of ladies who are doing the challenge alongside of me. Some are uploading every day, some are uploading every other day, or every 3 or 4 days, or once a week. But we are all doing the same thing. We're spending the month of February to get our house back in order and really get those routines down so that we can continue to have time for ourselves, time for our family, and not spend our entire life cleaning around the house. If you like those videos, give me a big thumbs up and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.